Hello children. In the previous lecture, we have already studied what adjectives are. Adjectives are the describing words that are used for nouns. And we have learned about all the kinds of adjectives also. In this lecture, we will try to solve the exercises given in your grammar books. So better you take your grammar books and pencils so that you can solve the exercises simultaneously. Okay, we will start with exercise 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and say what kind they are. We have learned about all the kinds of adjectives, children. Number 1 is, I know a funny little man. In this sentence, man is a noun and the words which are describing this noun are funny and little. So, these are the adjectives and these are the adjectives of quality. Next, a Japanese lady was standing in the 5th row. Again, we'll look at the noun in the sentence. The noun in the sentence is lady. And the word that is describing this noun, lady, is Japanese. And this word is the adjective of quality. Next sentence, he could not solve a simple sum during the whole period, though many classmates did it quickly. Again, we have to search for the noun. Noun is sum. Sum is the noun in this sentence and the word which is describing this noun is simple. Simple is the adjective of quality. Next sentence. Our team went to Hyderabad to play in the famous cricket tournament. Again, we have to search for the nouns. The noun in this sentence is team and one more noun is there is cricket tournament. So with team the word that is used is our and our is possessive adjective, and with cricket tournament the word that is describing this noun is famous and famous is the adjective of quality. Next, how much money did you spend on food and which hotel did you stay in Shimla? Again, what is the noun here? Noun is money and money is described by how much. So, this is the adjective of quantity because we are talking about the quantity of money. Next noun in the same sentence is hotel and hotel is described by which, and which is the interrogative adjective. Next, this is not your book, it belongs to the quiet little girl sitting behind you. Again, book is the noun in this sentence and this book is described by your. Your is the possessive adjective and one more noun is there, that is girl. Girl is described with the help of two words, quiet and little, and both are the adjectives of quality. I hope children this also is clear. Okay, we will see the next sentence now. An old farmer had 5 sons, all good for nothing, and they caused him great anxiety. Old farmer. Farmer is a noun that is described by old. Sons is a noun that is described by 5. And anxiety is a noun that is described by the word great. Old is the adjective of quality. 5 is the adjective of number and great is the adjective of degree. Next sentence. Neither boy could jump properly and both were sent back to the last line. Again, the noun in the sentence is boy and boy word is described by neither. One more noun is there, line, and this is described by the word last. So both of them are adjectives. Neither is the adjective, distributive adjective, and last is the adjective of number. Next sentence, some men are rich but lazy, some women are poor but hardworking. Some is the adjective that is describing the noun men. Again, some is the adjective here and that is describing the noun women. So, some is the adjective of number. Next, with only 5 rupees in his pocket, He went out to seek his fortune in the big bad world. Again, noun is rupees and it is described by the word 5. One more noun is there, world, and this is described by two words, big and bad. 5 is the adjective of number and big bad is the adjective of quality. I hope children this first exercise is quite clear. Now we'll move on to the second exercise. But before we move on to the second exercise, there is a table to arrange all the adjectives in the same sentence. Suppose we have more than one adjective in one sentence, we have to arrange them in proper sequence, in proper order. Here is a sequence to help you order a given set of adjectives. Suppose there are many adjectives in a sentence, they will be arranged in a proper order. What is the sequence? First of all, there should be the determiners, then quality, at the third place size, age or shape. That means the adjective of size, age or shape. Next is the color, the word that is showing the color, and next is the material. Alright, with the help of this sequence we will solve the next exercise. Let's see how we do it. Fill in the blanks in right order taking words from the bracket. Hari used to. Now in bracket there are three words given, glass, empty and green. We will see that empty is the adjective of quality, green is the adjective of color and glass showing the material. So what should be the sequence? Hari used to empty green glass bottles to make music. What is the sequence here? Quality, color and material. Next, I love the taste of the white soft thin bread that my mother bakes. Again we have to look at the sequence. White is showing the color, soft quality and thin is the size. So what should be the sequence? I love the taste of the soft that is showing the quality, thin that is showing the shape and size, and white is showing the color. So this is the sequence, soft thin white bread that my mother bakes. Next sentence, the young talented green-eyed musician is from Russia. Again, young is showing the age, then talented quality, green-eyed is also quality. We can arrange them in this order. The young talented green-eyed musician is from Russia. My sister wore this long pink silk dress for her dance performance. Long is talking about the size, pink about the color and silk about the material. My sister wore this long pink silk dress for her dance performance. Next sentence, that is the last sentence of this exercise. We like to eat crispy long yellow French fries. Crispy is of quality, long is of size and yellow is of color. We like to eat crispy long yellow French fries. Now exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree, comparative or superlative. Either comparative degree should be filled in the blank or superlative. My father is than my mother, and in bracket adjective is given old. We have to fill in the correct degree of this adjective. So how we will decide that which degree should be filled here? There is a comparison between my father and my mother. So this is a comparison between two. It will be the comparative degree. What is the comparative degree of old? Older. My father is older than my mother. Next, Sheila is the dash singer in our school. Now we are talking about the best one among all singers in the school. So we'll fill in this blank with the superlative degree of the word good. What is the superlative degree? Best. So Sheila is the best singer in our school. What is the dash news from Germany? Late, later, latest. And the is, what is the here? The is the article that is used just before the superlative degree of the adjective. And what is the superlative degree? Latest. What is the latest news from Germany? What is the dash price you can take? Again, we have to fill in the blank with the superlative degree. Little, less, least. So, least is the word that should be filled here. What is the least price you can take? Iron is dash than any other metal. Here there is a comparison between two, iron or any other metal. So, iron is more useful. This is the comparative degree. Next, the Taj is the dash building in the world. We are talking about all the buildings of the world. So, it will be superlative degree here. The Taj is the most splendid building in the world. Bali's work is good, Anil's is dash, but Ashok's is the dash. Here, there is the use of all three degrees of the adjective. Bali's work is good is positive because we are talking about only Bali. In the second part of the sentence, there is a comparison between Bali and Anil, so comparative degree should be used. Anil's is better, and in the third part of the sentence, we are talking about who is the best one among all three of them. So Ashok's is the best, the superlative. Now, Africa is the dash of the 5 continents. Again, there is a comparison between more than 2. So, Africa is the hottest, superlative degree. Who is the dash man in your village? Now, again we are talking about all men in the village. Old, older, oldest. Who is the oldest man in the village? Tom's essay is bad, Harry's is dash, but Peter's is the dash. That means Tom's essay is bad is the positive, and we have to fill in the comparative degree here. Harry's is worse, and the superlative degree in the third part of the sentence, worst. Tom's essay is bad, Harry's is worse, but Peter's is the worst. Now, next exercise, exercise 4. Change the following sentences into comparative degree. Lead is the heaviest of all metals. Already superlative degree is given. We have to change this into comparative degree, and with this change there will be a little more change in the sentence. Let's see how we do it. No other metal is heavier than lead. That means we have divided the comparison between two. At one side we have kept lead, and at the other side any other metal. No other metal is one category and the other category is lead. No other metal is heavier. Now we have used the comparative degree. America is the richest of all countries. Again we have to divide the comparison between two. One is America itself and the other is any other country. So, America is richer than any other country. Akbar was the wisest of all the Mughal emperors. At one side Akbar and the other side any other Mughal emperor. So, the sentence will be Akbar was wiser than any other Mughal emperor. Next sentence. Mahatma Gandhi was the most respected of all the leaders. Mahatma Gandhi at one side and at the other side any other leader. So what will be the comparison? Mahatma Gandhi was more respected than any other leader. Next, London is the most crowded city in the world. At one side London and at the other side any other country. No other city in the world is more crowded than London. Gold is the costliest metal. No other metal is costlier than gold. I hope children this exercise is clear. Now we will move on to the next exercise. No, a few more sentences are there in this exercise. It was the coldest night of the year. It was colder than any other night of the year. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. At one side Himalayas and at the other side any other mountain. So, no other mountain in the world is higher than the Himalayas. Rahul is the naughtiest boy in the class. At one side Rahul and at the other side any other boy of the class. Rahul is naughtier than any other boy in the class. Last sentence, the best dancer of the school is Radhika. At one side Radhika and at the other side any other dancer of the school. No one in the school dances better than Radhika. Now, we'll move on to the next exercise. He is more wiser than Amul. Already we can see that comparative degree is given, so there is no use of this more. So the correct sentence is, he is wiser than Amul. Next sentence, iron is more powerful than any metal. This sentence seems almost correct. So we can write it in this way, iron is more powerful than any other metal. Samir gets less salary. Here, less is the comparative degree. If there is no comparison between two, we cannot write this word less. So, we can correct this. Samir gets little salary because this is a positive degree. He is elder than Raman. In place of elder, we will write older because this is the comparison between two, but they both are not in the blood relation. So what should be used? He is older than Raman. Next, the population of Tokyo is greatest than that of any town in India. There is a comparison between two, so it should be the comparative degree. And what is the comparative degree of greatest? In place of greatest, it is greater. The population of Tokyo is greater than that of any town in India. Now the last exercise, the exercise given in your book says that you have to complete the table. That means any one of the degrees is given of the word in your table, and you have to complete this table by filling all the three degrees of that adjective. Tidy, tidier, tidiest. Juicy, juicier, juiciest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Precious, more precious, most precious. Little, less, least. High, higher, highest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Bad, worse, worst. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Cunning, more cunning, and most cunning. Children, in this lecture we have completed all the 6 exercises of the grammar chapter adjectives. I hope you have understood all the adjectives, all the kinds of adjectives, and how we solve these exercises. Now, I'll send you some more exercises to do, and definitely I'll give you the answers also to check your exercises whether you were correct or wrong. Alright? And please do revise all these exercises and do revise all the kinds of the exercises and the definition of adjective, everything that is taught in these 2 lectures. Okay children?